Got video I10 to help you with converting some times. So you can see we have a lot of facts up there. A minute, 60 seconds. An hour, 60 minutes. 1 day is 24 hours. A week is 7 days. A year is 12 months. A year is 365 days. I know it's probably 365 and a fourth, but we're just going to keep it simple. 1 year is 52 weeks, which is also in about. A decade's 10 years. A century is 100 years. And a millennium is 1,000 years. So we're using the same kind of fact things that we've been doing, making a T-chart. So I'm going from days to hours. So I'm going to go up on my charts, on my facts, and find a fact that has days and hours. There we go. 1 day equals 24 hours, and I got 5 days. So I'm going to take 24 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. 120 hours in 5 days. Try this one out. I'm going from decades. And I don't know that decades has a nice abbreviation, so I'm just going to write the whole thing. Decades to years. And right here it is. 1 decade is 10 years. And I've got 8 of the decades, so that's 8 times 10. 80 years. 4 years equals how many months? So I'm going from years to months. MO is the abbreviation for months, by the way. Years and months. Here we go. 1 year is 12 months. 4 years would be 4 times 12. It's going to be 48 months. Try years and days one. So we got years going to days. 1 year is 365 days, so I'm taking 365 times 2. 365 times 2. That is 10, carry my 1, 12, 13, carry my 1, 6, 7. 730 days in 2 years. Move ahead a little bit here. So we got someone who swam some laps, and they did it in 2 minutes and 34 seconds, and we want to know how many seconds that is. So we're going to take the minutes part and change that to seconds. And up there I see someplace that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if 1 minute is 60 seconds, 2 minutes is 2 times 60, or 60 plus 60, which is 120. So this part is 120 seconds, plus the 34 gets me to 154 seconds. 3 hours and 40 minutes, very long movie, like one of the Lord of the Rings. So I need to change the hour part. 2 minutes. Looking for a fact that has hours and minutes right there. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 3 hours would be 3 times 60. 60, 120, 180. So this is 180 minutes. Plus 40 minutes is going to get me to 220 minutes long. One more. 4 weeks and 5 days. So we're out on some cruise someplace probably. I need to change the weeks to days. And I see up here 1 week is 7 days. I know some people always get hung up about whether it's a 5-day or a 7-day. It's 7. There are 7 days in a week. So I'm taking 4 times 7, which is going to get me to 28. So this is 28 days plus those 5 days. 28 plus 5 is 33 days.